shipping container homes plans and modular prefab design ideas. CROSSBOX 1280. Hello and welcome to today's video. This video brings to you CROSSBOX 1280. This is a modern shipping container house designed using four 40-foot shipping containers to form a 1,280 plus square foot house. This video covers a complete presentation of dimensioned floor plans, a cost estimate checklist, and detailed drawings you can download for free to use on your own shipping container house project. Watch to the end of the video for the link to download the floor plans and a cost estimate checklist to guide you on your container house project. We post weekly videos on custom designed shipping container houses, and design reviews of homes from around the world. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for our inspiring weekly videos. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. The structure and design brief. This 5-bedroom, 1,280 plus square foot residence is made from 4 recycled 40-foot high cube shipping containers. 2 of the containers sit on a pier foundation and the other 2, stacked on top, perpendicularly to create a 2-storied house in form of a crossbox. The use of 2 containers is better in overcoming the challenge of narrow usable space of 1 container. The design uses high cube containers because they are 300 mm taller than a standard container. This provides an extra foot of ceiling insulation without compromising the headroom of the habitable space. The containers on the top are cantilevered midway to create a dynamic entrance porch and a carport. Another cantilever created at the rear of the building is used as a kitchen backyard. The upper story is accessed with a hand-sculptured staircase, ventilated with timber louvered fenestration with green planted vines and climbers on the exterior. The staircase shaft acts as vertical circulation in addition to providing structural support to the cantilevered frontage. The top of the staircase is fitted with water storage tanks. The floating ends of the boxes are transformed into Juliet balconies to the living area on the ground level and the master bedroom upstairs. In addition, the resultant end panel openings are fitted with full-height sliding glass doors. Sliding doors are good space savers compared to swing doors, making them ideal to use in a container house. The balconies are fitted with glass balustrades to create that feel of lightness. As a sustainable design statement, the exterior of the upper-level shipping containers are left as they are, including its original yellow color and markings. This will help to preserve its charm with its history in addition to reducing costs on painting the exterior. The containers on the lower level have their original blue color interspaced with bands of timber cladding to enhance its exterior appeal. Depending on your country, budget, climate and local planning regulations, you can explore other exterior finishes. This lavish house design is ideal for a large-sized family. If you have an extra piece of land, this design is a good investment as a guest house or a holiday getaway. You can have it listed on Airbnb and earn some extra income. The more public spaces and the living areas are housed on the ground floor. The spaces are comprised of the lounge, dining, kitchen, laundry, guest room and a cloakroom. The privacy gradient increases as you move upwards. All the bedrooms and the family room are accommodated on the first level. On the first floor, we have a master ensuite with walk-in closet, a common bathroom, a boys' bedroom, a girls' bedroom, a rumpus room and a family terrace. Foundation and modifications. The containers sit on a reinforced concrete pier foundation to elevate them from moisture. The foundation is made of 16 300 mm square by 450 mm high concrete piers, spaced 3 meters apart center to center. For a storied container house, remember to consult a structural engineer on the size and the load-bearing capacity of the foundation piers to use. This pier foundation allows for continuous airflow to keep the container cool and enable plumbing with ease. Walls of shipping containers are inherently structural and load-bearing. In addition, shipping container modules are designed to be stacked at the corners. Loading them at any other position or cutting out too much steel from the walls for doors and windows interferes with the structural integrity and strength of shipping containers. In this design, a lot of steel is cut out from the lower level containers to create a free-flowing living area space. This will greatly compromise the structure, hence need for further reinforcement with steel beams. Our design principle as shelter mode homes, we do not tamper with the roof and the floor of shipping container modules. It is very costly to restore the roof and the floor as compared with bracing and reinforcing the walls for window and door cutouts. Apart from the 2.4 meters by 2.4 meters folding door for the living room that will require further reinforcement, the other openings are optimal in size, hence have a minimal impact on the structural integrity of the containers. Outdoor living space. Apart from the drainage and moisture benefits, the elevated position of the house provides the height necessary to construct a deck. A 3.5 meter wide deck is provided for. The length can be as per the client's discretion. A deck is a quick and easy way to add extra living space to a container home by greatly extending outdoors the compact living space inside a shipping container. In addition, the roof of the lower containers create a private family terrace on the first level, even creating more outdoor space. The terrace is accessed by 2.1 meters by 0.8 meters swing door. An additional kitchen yard space accessed from the laundry room is provided on the ground level. The yard is well sheltered by the cantilevered containers above. The yard is shaded on one side by a trellis planted with native vines and climbers. Furniture and interior design ideas. Fitting furniture into a shipping container home can be a challenge. Most furniture hasn't been designed specifically for such small spaces. Multifunctional transforming furniture and other space-saving essentials effortlessly transform from one use to another, allowing a single space to perform more than one function. To complement the industrial look of the container, it's advisable to adopt a minimalist design to make the narrow space feel somewhat spacious. To minimize the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container, the walls of the living area are finished in monochrome light-colored paint. Since this is a container house, consider using similar materials to finish the kitchen backsplash and the bathroom walls, in order to maintain that industrial look. This repetitive theme creates harmony, therefore making the house appear bigger. Consider using a vertical wall-in bed or a Murphy bed in the children and guest bedrooms. This allows the space to serve both as a children playroom and as a sleeping room. The transition from day space to night zone is quick and simple. Stackable chairs and easy lounge seats are used for the dining and sitting room respectively. Consider exploring other space-saving furniture ideas depending on the space needs in your container home. Consider using flat-pack cabinets for the kitchen and the wardrobes. Flat-pack cabinets are good alternatives for the kitchen and wardrobe rather than custom units because of cost and quick installation. Flat packs can also be creatively used as space dividers instead of walls. Insulation and temperature control. Shipping containers are made of cotton steel. Steel is a good conductor of heat, therefore, to live in a shipping container home, you need to insulate the exterior walls. Insulation is one of the most important aspects of turning a container into a comfortable home. Without insulation, a container home would be like an oven in summer and freezing in winter. Insulation is also essential to preventing condensation, which can corrode the container and form mold. Use spray foam insulation on the walls and ceiling to provide an airtight seal and prevent condensation, if you can afford. In addition, put a layer of earthwool insulation blanket, then line it with plasterboard for adequate temperature control. The cantilevered containers are covered with an elevated corrugated steel roof to guard it from rain and direct sunlight. In addition, the corrugated steel roof is elevated above the container roof to allow for airflow to keep the container interior cool in summer. The roof covers the entire containers with an overhang, above the Juliet balconies, shielding the glazed openings in the master bedroom from direct solar radiation. This iconic roof is also a design statement that gives character to the house. The roof of the lower level containers has been transformed into a roof terrace with a 100 mm gap in between to allow for airflow. If you are planning to use the container roof as is, consider covering the container top with a roof garden planted with native plants and flowers. Design the garden planter in such a way that it sit in a steel frame above the roof of the container, to allow for airflow and keep the weight off the non-structural container roof. The green roof adds both charm and natural insulation from direct solar gain. The cost estimates checklist. This checklist is to guide you on the items to consider in your own container project. The prices of the items are subject to vary depending on your country, currency exchange rates, taxes, and government regulations. For correct and factual figures, consult the relevant experts in your country. What do you feel about our new house design? If you have any question, feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. If you need further inspiration, check out our other container homes designs such as ECOBOX 160, ECOBOX 320, LIFTBOX 480, BLOCKBOX 640, SHEARBOX 640 and LOFTBOX 1280. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our channel for our weekly videos on shipping container homes. You can download all the plans from our website on the link in the description below. For further consultations, contact us on our website. See you in the next video.